Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to play Ninja Gaiden 4 on a low-end PC. I show you guys the settings. Go to options and go to graphics and set display mode set to full screen and resolution set this to 1280 into 720. Select the yes option to save this resolution. And now frame rate limit set to 60, virtual verticaling off, and FSR prioritize resolution. Anti-aliasing disable, object quality set it to low, graphics preset set this to very low. Now dynamic resolution turned on and scroll down. Texture quality set this to medium. And now you just need to press the backspace key in your keyboard and the settings will be saved. Again press the backspace key and select the yes option to confirm changes to these settings. And now start the game. And this is the final look. You can able to play the game without any lag in your low-end PC. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.